Pontchartrain Conservancy Camp behind me. A lot of cloud cover left over from storms earlier. Still have a couple of downpours and even developing showers I'm going to show on WDSU First Warning Weather Doppler radar. But first, the umbrella cast over the next 7 days and even for the weekend. We're changing some rain chances from Saturday. We're going to go down with the rain chances. Fewer storms and more isolated in coverage. I'll show you what that's going to do to temperatures. Back up then again on Sunday, and that means temperatures probably go down. We're going to look at what happens here in this stretch Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, where the rain chances aren't as high as well. But we'll go back to our WDSU First Warning Weather Doppler radar right now is where we're going to go. You're going to see that we've got some heavier downpours on the miniature cold fronts, I call these, the little outflow boundaries. Rain-cooled air creates these little miniature cold fronts, and it's now all the way up to the North Shore, about Warnerton area to Clifton, in between you two towns. That's the heavier downpour, so it's going to go just maybe southwest sides of Warnerton. We've also got this developing shower right over Point Allahash here in between there and Bohemian, so you got some heavier rain just developing, could come into a thunderstorm. And this rain's closing in near Homa here too. Ashland downpours, Crozier to Mulberry getting some of that heavier rain. So we got a couple of isolated showers, downpours right now. But again, for the most part, we're looking at that most of the rain is starting to fade away. What happens with those days I just showed in the umbrella cast where those temperatures are going up because we've got the rain chances going down. We've got impact days. Look at the heat index. Heat advisory criteria starts at 108 or hotter. And I think we can get there. And those are the three likeliest days right now, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We're borderline for Sunday as we'll show. Today's top temperatures, we made it to 93, only 89 at Lakefront. And then 80-degree temperatures, rain-cooled air in many cases. The cloud cover still in place, but Bogalusa still standing at 90. Interesting little setup as we start to build the heat here up above us. A little mini heat dome is going to try to spread in, but what's interesting, while the rain chances I have increasing for Sunday, little weak system is going to be just right under that little dome of some heat, so there's going to be an enhancement potentially of some rain chances with that. There's a look at the short-term forecast. Any of the remaining showers and storms this evening fade away. And where we've been all week long to start off here Saturday morning, 78 downtown to 80 degrees to 71 to 73 areas of the North Shore. Let's go about a 40% chance of storms, more isolated in coverage tomorrow. So temperatures going up. I got as close to borderline territory of heat advisory criteria here as soon as tomorrow. So we're close to it. But look what happens here going into Sunday. This latest forecast does show quite a bit more storm activity. I'm going to bring it up to a 70% chance of more scattered in coverage storms. I got temps down a bit, but there are some indications we could be as hot as 97. Bogalusa would be 110. So we could be the heat advisory criteria then, but it's more likely Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday when we'll do that. Taking a look at the tropics, and still there is nothing being forecast over the next 7 days. There are a few tropical waves there, but no development. We look at satellite picture in the Gulf, nothing going here. We look at the Caribbean. You see there's just some storms. Look at them getting sheared apart here. Central America, Honduras getting some storm activity, and way out in the Atlantic, again, nothing shown. Look at the storms being blown here with quite a bit of wind shear. So nothing forecast over the next 7 days. And that's the good news. We're still keeping an eye on the long-range forecast we've discussed the last few days, but just remember, we're still at just the beginning of hurricane season here, peaking as we go August into September. WDSU First Warning Weather 7-day. We put impact days for the potential. We go to heat advisories for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Rain chances down a bit tomorrow. We're pretty hot, but right back up on Sunday with more scattered storms and coverage then.